Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change all settings to default on Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you want to reset or restore all settings to default on Windows 11, you can use the following steps. So the first step would be, click on the Start button, Windows icon in the taskbar, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Click on the Settings gear icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on System in the left sidebar. Click on Recovery in the System Settings. Under the Reset this PC section, if there's any, click on the Get Started button. You'll see two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Choose Remove Everything to reset all settings. Now, you may be prompted to choose whether you want to reinstall Windows 11 locally or using the cloud. Choose the option that suits your preference. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. This will remove all installed apps and settings, returning to your system to a clean state. The process may take some time, so be patient. Your PC will restart several times during the reset. After the reset is complete, you'll need to go through the initial setup process, including signing in with a Microsoft account, creating a user profile, and configuring basic settings. This method will reset your PC to a fresh state, removing all installed applications and settings. Ensure you have a backup or important files before performing a reset to avoid data loss. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.